All right, picking up. So now I can clone this whole thing along this axis here. So get my move, click on the end there. I don't have to move it out this way, but we'll see how well it works. I just want to keep everything somewhat in line. So now that I've got a clone of this, I want to mirror it. So we'll come to my deformation, and if I mirror it in X, see it's not going to line up very well, so let's undo that. I can try X and Y, and that, okay, yeah, good. That's got that in line. Yes, that one's going up, so that's looking pretty good. So now I should just be able to just drag this up. Okay, not exactly in line, but that's all right. We can just come in and line it up here. As long as it's in line this way is all I need, because I can visually line it up at this angle. It doesn't have to be perfect, just close. Yeah, that's looking good. And then I can drag my line out roughly along the center of it there, and then let's move it off a little bit, because I want to delete these end caps and then weld this thing together. So to do that, I'm going to clear my mask. I'm going to get my ZBrush and right click over a poly, or hold down the space bar and set it to delete, and then instead of a single poly, I want it to be polygroup island. So when I mouse over that, I can click it and delete it, and that deletes those islands. And also I'm going to tap my K key and get my double menu. If you need to find that without the custom menu, just come down to display properties, double. All right, so now I want to brush a little bit smaller. Mouse over an edge and either right click or hold down the space bar, and instead of insert, I want to go to bridge, and I want to bridge two holes. So that way when I click an edge and its corresponding edge over here, it'll bridge across them. Now I could leave this, that's probably fine. In fact, I'm just going to leave that. Otherwise, you could mouse over an edge and right click or hold down space bar and pick insert, and then hold down Alt over any of those edges and click to delete them. But I'm just going to leave them. I don't think it's going to affect anything. I'm going to subdivide this thing down later anyway. So now from this side, make sure my mask is clear. Let's get move tool, drag it out kind of along this thing, and then hold down Control and Shift, drag this out. Yeah, and now let's mirror it. Let's see. I'm going to use the same mirror and see what happens. Nope, not where I want it. Let's try Z and Y. Mirror that. Okay, that's in line. That's still with that. Okay, so that's looking good. So now it's just a matter of positioning this. And let's straighten that out. Get that pretty close. Make sure it's good on top. So now drag my movement line out along the center of this and move that, hold down Shift, move that out. Yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. So clear my mask, bring up my brush, mouse over one of these polys on the island, click to delete that, and where'd the other one go? There it is. And delete that, and then mouse over an edge, right click or hold down space bar and go to bridge, two holes, click one of those edges, click a corresponding edge, and let bridge across. All right, so that's starting to give me a pattern, so to speak, of these. And now it should be just a matter of using my move tool and holding down to Control and Shift and bringing those up. Let's get up there and get get them in line. That actually looks pretty good. I may not need to move it very much. Yeah, I'm just going to leave it. Switch to my draws, delete polygroups, clear the mask, delete those. Let's bridge 2 holes. Yeah, looking good. So now I can clear any masks, move tool, control shift, move things till they kind of line up. Whoop. Looking pretty good there. Maybe move it down just a bit. Let's clear that. Delete. Delete and bridge. All right. Looking good there. I could, you see the procedure. I could just keep doing this. So I'm going to stop here, and then I'm going to come back and make some geometry to subtract this from.